she needs an oil change again. Also, guys, I got a pretty cool toy.
A cheap one from Harbor Freight. It's a little Dremel. Because,
I was gonna put on the race rails on R1, but see how like this fairing like covers the hole? So kind of wanted to cut this part out, you know, just be like. But the thing is, I don't know how to use these. I've never owned one till now, and
I don't even know how to put it on. See, like, does this twist off? I don't know. I know these are the ones I need. These little guys, but I just, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure it out. Screwdriver here? Oh, no, it's too short. It's my little cheap tool set. Gosh, it's so hard to get out. Oh, what? Okay. I don't know what these fluffy things are for. Come on, sugar. I'm sorry, R6. I'm trying to figure this thing out. Oh, I'm gonna be cutting up this garage. Okay, now I don't know how to. I don't get it. I don't know, but.
Alright, so here's the oil pan down here. So the drain plug's right there. Oil filter's here. Just gonna have to pop this sucker out. Okay, so this is a 10 for sure. Yeah, you know, it was tiny. Don't judge me, alright? Okay, so that's pretty loose. Alright, it's not 15. Alright, it's a 17. Second time is a charm. Yep. I don't know why I thought it was 15. Hey. Yep. Oh, sheesh. That was tight. And now, some rags.
I think that's a 12. 13. Yeah, I am like so embarrassed. No, this is a 15, I think. 15 right here. Oh no. I promise I know about bikes. The basics. Well, this is pretty basic. What the hell? Is it really a 17? It is.
Okay. Ooh, alright. This filter's a... what? 204. Damn it. I don't have a 204. It's a 303. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the store real quick and buy a 204. Bam. Is this smaller than this one or what? Oh yeah, huge difference. Right? Yeah. Our one's is bigger. That's what she said. Sorry. Let's see. Got it. Actually want to clean this right here. All this good stuff before the filter goes in there. Alright. Now I know it's like engraved in my head now. It's 17. Not too tight. Now we'll do this screw here. Not too tight. Alright. Now the clutch. Yep. Perfecto. Almost. It's pretty good. All right. Oh, that's it. That's the oil change.
I still want to figure this thing out right here. Oh shit. Just imagine and be like, and then everywhere. I want to try it out. Oh, what the hell? Oh shit. Okay. What? It just came out. Oh no, I gotta find that piece now. Oh shit. Don't know how it came out though. That's what's so weird about it. Alright, well.
Alright guys, so we'll see you till next time. Right, little girl? She's like, is that oil? Say bye, Luna. Bye.